Hi Prachi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good too. So we are here for an interaction call. We just want to take a feedback from you about your internship. So what was your project and who were your team members?
So my project was an e-commerce project, uh, right? So and my team members were developers who were also my fellow interns, but they were from engineering colleges. So they were like two teams, which one team was working on the front end application and another one was working on the back end services. So I was working with five people in total. So two developers were there for the front end application, two of them for back end, and one project manager as well who was also assisting me with this project. So yeah,
Okay. That's really great. So how long you have worked with us?
I was there for 4 months. Yeah.
So in these 4 months, you do you have any good experience to share with us? Any
Yeah,
good
I
memory?
mean, yeah, there are a lot of good memories. So I mean, I joined this project, this company to learn something because it was very college oriented, that they were picking interns from the college, and that is what I also wanted. So I mean, I got to learn a lot every day. We used to have calls with Mayank as well, and he had been a great mentor. So yeah, I mean that's the happy memory. If you say, like, if you learn, it's good, right? If you learn every day, that's good. So that for me is really great. Yeah.
Thank you, Prachi. So I just want to, yeah, I just want to know that, like, is there any impact in your working style or in your way of working, okay, after this internship?
Yes, so I used to get constant feedbacks from you, right? And that really helped a lot. So during when I worked as a project manager for one of for these applications, and I used to get feedbacks on how do we, motivate a team, how do we build a team, and all that. And I think that is helping me a lot in my job, which I'm currently doing with the firm as well. So yeah, I mean that. So yeah, I got to learn a lot. Yeah.
Okay, so as I already asked you about your good experience, so every coin has two sides. So what are the challenges which you faced the most in this internship and you handled them properly? Would you like to share any?
Yes, given the current scenario, I think the biggest challenge was to communication. I mean, we were all working from different places. So, like, six people, one project, and we're all working on different places. So, the biggest challenge was to stay communicated, stay updated with what is happening, right? So, uh, basically, the it was so the drill was simple. I mean, you just have to call the developers who are there and ask for their availability, feasibility. Like, you have to take regular follow-ups from them. If they're facing issues, then we also had our separate messaging channels which we had used. So we used to communicate there. So I think that's how it worked out. Otherwise, it would have been really tough in the kind of environment we are currently in.
So,
So
like,
yeah.
Prachi, like, how did you like the working environment at our company?
The working environment was really good. I mean, every day we used to get feedbacks, and that is, as an intern, I think that was really very important because I mean, I am here to learn. I did not have any experience for the role which I had applied for, and the kind of environment was in that I was allowed to commit mistakes, right? I mean, not blunders, but mistakes, right? I mean, of course, I would get guidance from my uncle all the time that okay, this is the right way to do stuff. So that is what it is about. So that is the kind of environment I think every company should have these days. I mean, he is the founder, right? And he was still reachable, like anytime I could call him anytime, and he would be there available with his guidance. And that's really important. I think other companies can also have these kind of things with the approachability and the kind of work environment he has built where everybody is approachable, so that is very important. Yeah.
Okay. That's really great. So apart from these things, I just want a feedback from your side and a feedback which can improve our organization, like anything which you think needs to improve.
My feedback would be that I mean, it has been a great journey, but one only feedback would be that we can work on our visibility. I mean, we are good, but it's only about now reaching out to more businesses, more people, getting in more projects, because there, how many, not many people know about this organization, and I think that is where we can improve. I mean, it's totally good, and people should know about it, right? And how cool we are. So I mean, that is what I think we need to work on. That's all. That would be all from my side. Nothing from the process side of you. Nothing from how the work environment or the kind of feedbacks we get. Nothing of that sort. Learning is great. We are working on new technologies. The only thing I could find was this thing. Yeah.
So, okay, Prachi, like I would like to ask you one question, or I would say
Yeah.
one advice, okay? Like if there is someone like who is looking for a project management internship, okay?
Hmm.
So like what are the points that he or she need to consider? Okay, I'm not talking that he's looking or she's looking for internship in our company, maybe in other company, in any other company,
Hmm.
like they're looking for a internship opportunity for this project management role specifically. So like what are the points that they need to like take care of?
All right. So the very first thing which comes to my mind is motivating the team which you're working with. So ultimately, you're handling a project, and you'll have young developers working with you. So it's very important to keep them motivated, so that they are also committed to their tasks, whatever they are doing. Right. And yeah, that's what I mean. I would. Second thing, yeah, another thing which comes to my mind is that you should be receptive. A project manager, if you are aspiring to be a project manager, be receptive enough to listen to what your developers have to say, or what your team has to say to you. I mean, the communication should be two-way, and you should be open enough to listen to that. So that is what that these are the two things which come to my mind immediately.
Okay, yeah. So thank you so much, Prachi.
All right.
That's enough.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Prachi.
You
Thank
really did a
thank
great job,
you.
actually. So throughout the time, you really did a great
Yeah.
job. Yeah.
Thank you.
So
Thank
thank you
you.
so much for your time.
Thank you, Mayank. Thank you, Nidhi.